welcome back to my channel. I have another little box from Influenster. This one is featuring Garnier hair products, and it is their new conditioning hair mask. Lots of times hair masks, they require you to sit with the mask on your hair for upwards of 25 minutes, wrapping your hair in plastic, applying heat to it to really get the benefits of the mask. Garnier is taking all of that fuss away and giving you a mask that gives you all the benefits of a regular full long hair mask with just 1 minute. You've got your regular daily conditioners, which do a great job of managing, controlling, and detangling your hair. When you take that type of conditioner, you pump it up with better nutrition for your hair, you can turn it into a mask that will restore brightness, manageability, damage controls. Basically, it's taking your conditioner and amplifying it. You could use a regular conditioner as a hair mask just by leaving it on longer, but it's not going to give you that little extra bit of that boost. My hair is in desperate need right now of a hair mask. Let me tell you, the one I have here exactly is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask Papaya Extract. I went ahead and I looked up on my phone exactly what the claims are for this because it makes it a little bit easier just to read it. It says, in 1 minute, indulge your hair in a nourishing treat with 98% naturally derived ingredients. Damage repair treat 1 minute hair mask plus papaya extract helps you get soft, smooth, and damage repaired hair. No weigh downs, no silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colorants. So not only am I going to show you how this works on my hair, which is kind of medium thick hair, I just happen to have a lot of really long hair, but I have two very special guest models to test this out with you. Let me call them in. So here are two of my children. This is Hazel. How old are you?
5.
And this is
Hayden.
And how old
7.
are you? You're 7. Hayden and Hazel have very different hair, very different from my hair. Hazel still has a lot of baby hair. It's super fine. It gets very tangled up and caught in everything. It's all of her baby hair still.
So much it.
Yeah, it gets really naughty when we try and brush it, right?
Yeah.
Then Hayden, his hair is not really that fine, and it gets really dry because what do we have here on the tips of your hair?
Coloring.
Coloring. We decided to turn him into Aquaman, and the hair dye has really dried out his hair. And you're also in desperate need of a haircut.
Yeah.
We do use conditioner in the hair all the time. This is a deep conditioner. Like, it's a special treat. It's a conditioning mask.
Oh.
Yeah. Can you open it? Can you pick it up and show it to everybody? Okay, you want to open it? Let's see what our first impressions are of it. Teamwork. Okay, put the cap down. Let's first show it to them.
Smells very good.
What does it smell like?
Coconut.
Coconut?
It smells like kind of like this coconut with this one. This half and half mixed one.
Well, it's not coconut. You're not in frame. It's not coconut. It's papaya, which is like a type of a tropical fruit. I don't think it smells anything like coconut.
But it smells like what is it called again? That you got and we made coconut. My mini Titanic out of it.
That was like tropical fruit punch.
Yeah,
so
I
yeah,
love that.
So it smells like tropical fruit punch.
I know it does.
Let's give it a nice smell. It smells good. All right,
Yeah.
so you guys are gonna get ready to take showers. We're gonna wash and we're gonna condition, and then we'll check back in and see how nice our hair is. Let's follow up on the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Hair Treat. It was nice, it smells delicious, but in terms of a deep nourishing hair mask, it just didn't really have that much nutrition for my hair. I love using papaya for hair. In fact, one of my all-time favorite DIY hair masks uses papaya, and I will put that link down below, and it gave amazing results. 10 times better results than this. However, it's quite messy. You gotta make a mess of your hair, a mess of your bathroom, and everything else in between. This is really much more easy. I do like the fact this is really just a 1 minute kind of quick in and out type of shower deal, which is great for somebody like me. I don't have much time to luxuriate in the showers, but it really didn't give me much more of a conditioning boost than my regular everyday conditioner. My hair is soft, it's manageable, it's tangle free, but it doesn't have that extra bit of luscious life that I would expect from a conditioning mask. It's not as shiny as I would hope. This can also be used as a leave-in treatment, and I think that's probably where it'll work better in my daily routine after taking a shower, to put a little bit in, especially around the ends, to give that little bit of extra leave-in treatment. more so than a regular, you know, hair mask. I'm gonna bring in my kids so you can see how it worked on them, because for them, it was actually really good. Come on, guys. So we're gonna start with Hayden. His hair gets dried out from the color that's in here, but it's still borderline fine hair. And it worked as a great conditioner for him. It was lightweight. His hair is not any way greasy or weighed down. And it smelled really good. What did you think about it?
It smells so good.
Yeah, you like
it? And it actually does work a lot.
Yeah, your hair feels good?
Yeah, watch. Doesn't get all tangled up.
No, okay, good. All right, let's leave it now. Let's move on to Hazel. So Hazel has almost really fine, baby fine hair. Can you turn your head a little bit, baby? And it's still, I mean, this is still her baby hair. It's got a nice little curl back here, but it gets super frizzy and super tangly, especially during this time of the year.
Yeah, and now it got really good.
It's really good now?
Yeah,
it feels
not
soft?
tangly.
No? So for their hair, so if you have fine hair, this is an excellent treatment for you. If you have more thick hair, drier hair, this is really just gonna be a regular daily conditioner for you. Other than that, it smells delicious, it's quick and easy to use. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. You know you'll definitely hear back from me. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and have a great day.
Bye.